I'm done with my Volvarella mushroom setup at this time. I was able to come up with 6 layers. So 6 layers ang ato spawns na luyo. So kaning area nga 1 meter by 2 meters ang ilahang length of width. Ganita nakasangko gyud ani nga end. Siguro lang nako nga sangko dali. Sangko sa bamboo poles. Kani probably lang nina ko isibog. Stable raman siya ang pagpapayang sa banana sheaths. Okay, so ako na ning i-cover og plastic sheath para mukuan siya, mo-generate siya heat with the help of the madre cacao leaves na atong nitrogen source. So we will keep this for 15 days or so. So we will observe on the 10th or 12th day or even earlier, should be mga between 8 to 9 or between 6 to 9 days atong i-check kung wa pay pinhead atong pahungawan, no? So i-open niya na to ang plastic. So I'll update you guys in a few days.